The Gantt chart in nodes and links called timeline. Many complicated planning systems in the market are difficult to learn. In most cases, they're not available to the entire team and pose a risk of making unwarranted changes to production schedules. Your team needs access to the entire schedule without those dangers to making unwarranted changes to the production schedule. Let's have a look at Nodes and Links' timeline in action. For your convenience, the timeline is available on the side panel. Use the collapse or expand or to expand the entire WBS structure, or you can simply expand individually to the WBS element that you're looking for. Within each WBS element, you can sort by start date. And you can add additional fields to the Gantt chart from the selected list. In this case, I'm going to add progress % complete. Looking up and down the schedule, items in green represent items that have been completed, items in blue mean in progress, and notice the warning showing activities that are on the critical path. To see more information about that, simply click on the activity. It brings up a side panel with all the information about the task, and you can confirm this that it is on the critical path. You can always see the WBS path by clicking on the information icon. Having added progress % complete, I can change the calculation for this based on duration or based on activity count. I can also add relationships and switch the date to day on and off. I use the configure option for this. So I'm going to change the progress type based on count to duration. I can switch connections on and off and switch today's date on and off. You can see all the relationships now, and you can scroll up and down, see the today's date, and you can change the time scale. You can use days, weeks, months, quarters, years, depending on the timeline of your project. Should you want to find specific tasks, you can use the filter with its advanced options to find the filter that you need. So clicking on filters, I can add additional criteria to my filter. So perhaps I can base it on status, on float, or activity type. In this case, I'm just going to filter for all tasks that contain the word steel. All tasks that contain the word steel in its task name are now shown in context with the WBS. You now have access to the full Gantt chart with all the tasks, network logic, and details about the activity without having to worry about making changes to production schedules.